A1 English listening. Describing holidays.
Hi, I'm Emmanuel. Today, I want to tell you about some important holidays in the United States. The biggest holiday in my country is probably Christmas. We celebrate it every December. We often decorate our homes and wear red and green clothes. Many people have a day off on Christmas Day. We visit our family, give gifts, and eat traditional food together. I like Christmas because it's fun, and I love spending time with my family. Another holiday I really like is New Year's Eve. We celebrate it on December 31st. My friends and I usually wear nice clothes, watch fireworks, and drink champagne at midnight. We stay up late and celebrate together. I like New Year's Eve because it's exciting. Now it's your turn. What is your favorite holiday? How do you celebrate it? Why do you like it?